Hello everyone. And welcome back once again to another interesting video. In today's video we'll discuss a comprehensive guide to become a data science engineer for beginners in 2024. So if you are ready, let's start today's video. The field of data science has been rapidly evolving, and as we step into 2024, it continues to be a dynamic and exciting realm with a plethora of career paths. From traditional statistical analysis to cutting-edge machine learning and artificial intelligence, data science offers diverse opportunities for professionals to make a significant impact in various industries. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the emerging trends and potential career paths within the data science landscape in 2024. The evolving landscape of data science. Given the rapid pace of technological advancements and the increasing importance of data in various industries, it's likely that the landscape of data science has continued to evolve. Here are some key trends and changes that were shaping the field, and these trends may have further progressed. 1. Traditional data analysis. While machine learning and artificial intelligence have gained prominence, traditional data analysis remains a crucial aspect of data science. Professionals proficient in statistical analysis, data visualization, and hypothesis testing are still in demand. This path is ideal for individuals who enjoy deriving insights from structured data and have a strong foundation in statistical methodologies. 2. Machine learning engineer. With the increasing adoption of machine learning across industries, the demand for machine learning engineers is soaring. These professionals design, implement, and deploy machine learning models. Proficiency in programming languages like Python, knowledge of popular machine learning libraries, and expertise in model optimization are key skills in this path. 3. Data engineer. Data engineers play a vital role in building and maintaining the infrastructure that enables data scientists to analyze and derive insights from vast datasets. They work on designing, constructing, testing, and maintaining data architectures, databases, and large-scale processing systems. This career path is suitable for those who enjoy working with big data technologies and database management. 4. Data scientist, generalist. Generalist data scientists possess a broad skill set encompassing statistical analysis, machine learning, and data engineering. They act as intermediaries between domain experts and technical teams, applying a holistic approach to solve complex problems. This path is ideal for individuals who enjoy wearing multiple hats and collaborating across various functions within an organization. 5. AI research scientist. For those passionate about pushing the boundaries of artificial intelligence, a career as an AI research scientist might be the right fit. This path involves conducting cutting-edge research, developing new algorithms, and contributing to the advancement of AI. Strong academic backgrounds and a deep understanding of theoretical aspects of machine learning are crucial in this field. 6. Data analyst. Data analysts focus on interpreting and analyzing data to provide insights that inform business decisions. They work with structured and unstructured data, utilizing statistical techniques and visualization tools. This role is suitable for individuals who enjoy working with data to tell a compelling story that aids in decision-making processes. Key skills and technologies. Regardless of the chosen path, certain skills and technologies are fundamental to a successful data science career in 2024. 1. Programming languages. Proficiency in programming languages like Python and R is essential. These languages are widely used for data manipulation, analysis, and model implementation. Additionally, knowledge of languages such as SQL for database querying is crucial for data engineers and analysts. 2. Machine learning frameworks. Understanding popular machine learning frameworks, including TensorFlow and PyTorch, is vital for those pursuing roles as machine learning engineers or AI research scientists. These frameworks facilitate the development and deployment of machine learning models. 3. Big data technologies. Data engineers and professionals working with large datasets need to be familiar with big data technologies such as Apache Hadoop, Spark, and distributed computing frameworks. These tools enable efficient processing and analysis of massive volumes of data. 4. Data visualization tools. Proficiency in data visualization tools like Tableau, Power BI, or Matplotlib is crucial for conveying complex insights in a comprehensible manner. Data scientists and analysts leverage visualization to communicate findings effectively. 5. Cloud computing. With the growing trend of cloud-based solutions, familiarity with cloud platforms such as AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud is advantageous. Data engineers often use cloud services for scalable storage and processing. 6. Domain knowledge. Understanding the industry or domain in which one works is essential. Whether it's healthcare, finance, or e-commerce, domain knowledge enhances the ability to derive meaningful insights and solutions tailored to specific business challenges. Industry-specific applications. Data science finds applications in a wide array of industries, each with its unique challenges and opportunities. Let's explore how data science is making an impact in specific sectors. 1. Healthcare. In healthcare, data science is instrumental in predicting disease outbreaks, optimizing treatment plans, and improving patient outcomes. Data scientists in this field may work on analyzing electronic health records, developing predictive models, and leveraging wearable technology data. 2. Finance. In the financial sector, data science is used for fraud detection, risk assessment, algorithmic trading, and customer analytics. Financial institutions rely on data scientists to gain insights into market trends, manage risks, and enhance decision-making processes. 3. E-commerce. E-commerce companies leverage data science for personalized recommendations, demand forecasting, and customer segmentation. Data scientists in this sector analyze user behavior, optimize pricing strategies, and enhance the overall customer experience. 4. Autonomous vehicles. The automotive industry relies on data science for developing self-driving technologies. Machine learning models process data from sensors and cameras to make real-time decisions, ensuring the safety and efficiency of autonomous vehicles. 5. Energy. In the energy sector, data science is employed for predictive maintenance of infrastructure, optimizing energy consumption, and analyzing environmental impact. Data scientists work on improving the efficiency of energy production and distribution systems. Emerging trends shaping data science careers. Staying abreast of emerging trends is crucial for data science professionals to remain competitive and relevant. Here are some trends shaping the field in 2024. 1. Explainable AI. As AI models become more complex, the need for explainability grows. Explainable AI, XAI, is a critical trend, especially in applications where decision-making transparency is essential, such as healthcare and finance. Data scientists need to develop models that provide interpretable results. 2. Federated learning. Federated learning is gaining traction, especially in privacy-sensitive applications. This approach allows machine learning models to be trained across decentralized devices without exchanging raw data. Data scientists need to adapt to this paradigm for applications like personalized services on mobile devices. 3. Ethical AI. With the increasing impact of AI on society, ethical considerations are becoming paramount. Data scientists must be cognizant of biases in data, transparency in algorithms, and the societal impact of their work. Ethical AI practices are integral to building responsible and trustworthy systems. 4. Automated machine learning, AutoML. The democratization of machine learning is underway with the rise of AutoML tools. These tools automate various steps in the machine learning pipeline, making it more accessible to individuals with diverse backgrounds. Data scientists should stay informed about these tools to enhance their productivity. 5. Edge computing. Edge computing involves processing data closer to the source rather than relying on centralized cloud servers. This trend is particularly relevant in applications like IoT and real-time analytics. Data scientists need to adapt their models to function efficiently in edge computing environments. Career development and continuous learning. Given the rapid evolution of technology and methodologies in data science, continuous learning is essential for career growth. Here are strategies for professional development in 2024. 1. Online courses and certifications. Platforms like Coursera, edX, and Udacity offer a plethora of online courses and certifications in data science. These programs cover a wide range of topics, from fundamental concepts to advanced machine learning and AI. 2. Networking and community involvement. Engaging with the data science community through forums, conferences, and social media platforms is invaluable. Networking provides opportunities to learn from peers, stay updated on industry trends, and potentially discover new career opportunities. 3. Advanced degrees. Pursuing advanced degrees, such as a master's or PhD in a relevant field, can open doors to specialized roles and research opportunities. However, practical experience and hands-on projects are equally important for a well-rounded skill set. 4. Hands-on projects. Building a portfolio of hands-on projects showcases practical skills to potential employers. Whether it's a Kaggle competition, a personal project, or contributions to open-source initiatives, practical experience is highly valued in the data science community. 5. Stay informed about industry trends. Data science is a rapidly evolving field, and staying informed about the latest trends and technologies is crucial. Subscribing to relevant blogs, following thought leaders on social media, and regularly reading research papers are effective ways to stay abreast of industry developments. Conclusion. In 2024, the data science landscape offers a multitude of career paths, each with its unique challenges and opportunities. Whether one chooses to specialize in machine learning, data engineering, or remains a versatile generalist, the key to success lies in continuous learning and adaptation to emerging trends. As data science continues to shape industries and drive innovation, professionals who stay curious, embrace ethical practices, and leverage the latest technologies will thrive in this dynamic field. Whether you're just starting your data science journey or looking to advance your career, the possibilities are vast, and the future is promising for those who are passionate about harnessing the power of data. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell for more content, so you don't miss any upcoming video. And, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.